underground river in the world. Our tour takes around 45 minutes back and forth, and we were going to 1.5 kilometers. And also, on the record, we came about 8.4 kilometers.
Underground river.
Also, we were only taking about 1.5. And that is our turning point at the 1.5. And also, that is the group of survivors in the other boat, you see? Okay. Yeah, we call it survivors. And also, we were now the challenger. Hello. Okay, we were now entering into the cave, and also we are now the visitors of those life forms that inhabit in the cave. Let's try not to disturb them, and please lower your voice and keep our conversation to a minimum. Especially, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, don't lean on the side of our boat, just stay in the middle for our balance because we are too many here. Okay? And also for our balance. Also, if you have any questions about escape, don't hesitate to ask me. And I will do my best to answer your question. Okay? And also, we are here inside escape. And you see the birds flying, even though they are dark here inside escape. It's because we're using echolocation or sound waves to free from manipulation. And that is what we call swallow birds and sweetlets. Those birds also producing edible bird's nest, that's what we call it. Okay? Expensive kind of bird's nest. And also this water is what we call brackish water. Because this is the mixture of salt and fresh water, so we call this brackish. And also, we have a lot of fish like lapu-lapu, tilapia, bagosh, catfish, okay, swampfish, and also we have crabs and prawns. And we have here, because we are not allowed also to catch fish here in this river. And also, yes, then we notice now that we're seeing much more bigger here inside. It's because of the water erosion. Because water here, absorbing the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, it becomes slightly acidic. You see the bus? At our right side, sir? Yes, we were now approaching to our bad cave. Okay, at our bad cave in the right side, sir. Right side. Okay, that one. We call that bad cave. Okay, but now, we call that bathroom. Okay? We call that bathroom. We are not allowed to go there. Mostly me. I'm not allowed to go there. Because I am only a boatman. I'm not the Batman. I'm not allowed. And also, we have a lot of fascinating information here. Okay? We are classified also as the stalagmite, column, drapery, and plankton. Right side, okay, see? The water flowing right to right side. Okay, right side, sir, right side. Okay, stop. Okay, that is the water flowing the side. That is also the water that's forming a limestone. Okay, because that is made by the water. We call that limestone. Okay, the yellowish formation that we see here at our right and left side, we call that limestone. That is made by the water that's flowing in the side of the wall. Okay, and also we will now approaching to our tower at the top, higher floor. Okay, that is our tower.
Oh, wow.
That is second to the highest part we see also. And also, are you all first time here?
Yes.
Gentlemen?
Yes.
Okay, me too, I'm first time. First time to meet you all here, okay? And also, all of you ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking at the top of the cave, don't open your mouth, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna bat shit in.
Sometimes, if the water drop there, in something cold, we call that fresh or holy water. But the water drop there, in something hot and sticky, we call that holy shit. Because that is the bad bufo. Be careful. Okay? Because we have a lot of bats here. We have 9 species of bats. But they are only representing 2 families. We call that the horseshoe bats and black dog bats. At the top, sir. Right. At the top, sir. At the top. Okay, see the bats? And there's a lot here. Okay. And also, those bats are predators of 9 flying insects. Mostly, the mosquito. So that's why we don't have malaria now in Palawan because of the bat birds. Because their favorite foods are mosquito. Okay? And also, they prevent the mosquito to grow here in Palawan. And also the birds. Okay? You see the birds flying, that's also eating now the insects here inside the cave. Okay? And also, have a lot of formation here in space. All that formation, not all abstract, depends on your own imagination, like what it looks like. And also, this part of the water here, this is a 9 feet. If we are in high tide, then it's going into 15 feet. And also down your line down, down. Okay, you see the high tide level. That is the high tide level. If we are in high tide, you're floating in the park. Okay, that is the high tide line. And also at the top, higher, okay, you see the baby bats at the top. There's a lot, forward. Slowly, you see, there's a lot of baby bats, and we call that here the bat stop or baby bat. Bat stop. Okay, at the top. And now we are now approaching into our flat ceiling forward. Left a little, at the top, sir, at the top. Okay, that is our flat ceiling. Up. Okay, like a cloud ceiling formation. And also one of the kind here is here also.
We're inside the mountain.
And all the formation, the yellow formation here that you see here, left and right side and at the top of the scale. That is what we call scale
You
formation.
can see better without the sunglasses.
Also below,
I know.
the AB.
But I'm scared of that bat shit.
And also, this limestone, the dark fine grain rock and the brown rock, that was formed under the ocean over a million years. Because Palawan had formed under the ocean over 30 million years ago, under the water. Okay? And also, there's a lot of color in this cave. A lot of color. It's because
The
of
cave with water. There's water in my sleeper right now.
11 kinds of mineral. Unlike other caves that we host only 2 to 4 kinds of mineral. But here, in this underground river, we host 11 kinds of mineral. Okay? And also, we have 3 main minerals. Cerebrantite, coppertite, and the jangolite mineral. And also, cerebrantite mineral was formed first found first in Brazil. In the cerebrantite Brazil. That's why we call that the cerebrantite mineral. Okay? That is also came from the mineralization of guano. Okay? And also the cerebrantite
Is it recording?
mineral. Okay? And also, we will now approaching into our